Hey y'all, it's your girl Nia Imani. So I just want to quickly get into this video and tell you guys about how I reached this look. Sleek back with baby hair edges. This part is optional. It's little, it just adds a little something. And then after this video, I'm gonna post, because I recorded on the same day, how I got this makeup look. It's not the best tutorial. It's a little something. I tried, but yeah, I'm new to this whole YouTube thing. I've just always been asked to show how I do my sleek back, so I said, why not? What's up, y'all? What's this? So first, you wash your hair, and I usually do co-washes if I'm just doing sleek backs or anything where my hair is just in its complete natural state. If I'm doing what do they call a protective style, like braids or twisted faux locks or something, I shampoo, condition, deep condition, the whole nine. See later on, because I'm gonna do a little. You know what? Let's just insert it here. This is how I wash my hair. To do a co-wash, I use the Tea Tree Tingle by Trader Joe's because it makes your scalp tingle. So do you guys want to know what's tea? What's tea? I go in with Aussie Moist. You can get an even better conditioner, but this is what I have, so that's what I did. I got the Easy Detangler brush, and I just wanted to show y'all how good this thing is. Please don't laugh at me. Oh my god. I already know it's coming. Wait, hold on. Anyway. Look at how she goes through. So here I was saying part your hair down the middle. Nice straight even part. There you go. And also look at this. This is, well, we can't really tell right now, but her name is One. She grew a lot. Like, I'm gonna insert the picture. What the fuck? What the fuck? Stop playing! I was taking out my faux locks and then I accidentally cut it off. But I just put that in my hair because this helps keep your hair sleek, and obviously it'll add a lot of moisture. Oh, and people always ask me like what my curl type is. I don't really know, but I'm just gonna go with, I'm type 4 hair, so like 4A, 4B. This is so good. But especially type 4 hair, oh my god, my hair doesn't retain any type of moisture. Like I can't just put like oil and stuff. I have to do thick pomades, and this I just put all along the ends of my hair. It makes my ends feel so like loved, like they have a home, you know, because my ends be brittle. Sometimes I just look at them, y'all look at one, don't embarrass me in front of these people. Come on. It's not about. Anyway, never put gel on dry hair. That's how you get flakes. Like, come on. I'm always seeing that, and I'm just like, come on now. And the type of Eco Styling Gel, this I'm just detangling again and getting her ready for being brushed back, because right now my hair is falling just like this, like down. I need it to fall like this, so just want to kind of train your hair to move that way. Okay, so you just make sure you put it all on the ends of your hair like this. I usually use the Argan Oil one, the red top, but they were all out, so this is my second choice, the Krystal one. My thing about the Krystal one is it kind of flakes sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, but it has a really good hold. Yeah, so then you have to use a lot of gel, ladies. Like, I'm just letting you know now. Gel warning, trigger warning. Now you want to just focus on your roots rather than your ends, and make sure you're brushing like that, backwards motion. go. Not too much gel, but just put it in the back of your hair so it's nice and sleek. Now you go in with your hard brush. Mine isn't too hard, it's kind of soft. And you want to follow the pattern. I can't see. Okay. Pick a nice spot. I think here is good. Y'all hear the snap, crackle, punch, crack, clap, yup. And for the bun. The bun. So now we're gonna go back with our Aunt Jackie's Defining Gel. Sorry, wrong way. Look at my fingers. Can you do a split? Tell that girl, come here. Look at her. Look at my pup, y'all. She said, I'm cute. Put on top. This will literally like condition your hair. Okay? And this helps keep your hair so sleek. I promise. She is not moving. It's not moving. Like, it's not going anywhere. I promise. I promise. The one trying to sneak out. I said stay. She want to sneak out the house. And yeah, so now you're done. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. The gel again, and I just put it on my sideburns. So you don't put the scarf on top of your edges because it will crinkle and leave a mark. So you want to make sure it's behind your ears. Don't move your hair too much. And the last step is take off your scarf. And this is the big reveal. I usually like to add a little shine because this lubricates, nourishes your roots, and strengthens your locks. That's all. Hope you guys enjoyed.